Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up input and output in Adobe Audition. This is a short tutorial. I hope you're going to find this helpful. Let's jump right into this video and subscribe if you haven't yet for more tutorials. So we're going to have to go here at the top right corner when you say Adobe Audition. We're going to click here and then settings and then general. You can also use, as you can see, the shortcut, this shift shift command K. So actually let's try this command, so just for practicing sake, so we can actually practice using this command because we're working a lot in Audition, so it's really worth it. So shift command K, and the preference just open on my separate monitor. But now we can go to audio hardware. Here we can change the default input. I'm going to change the Samsung Q2U. Default output Samsung Q2U. You can also use your other interface, and probably here you can set up your change, select your audio interface. Maybe you have a Scarlett, depends on what audio interface you have. I don't have any audio interface, I just have the microphone, so I'll just select the microphone. And here in audio mapping, in audio channel mapping, make sure you select your device channels for left and right, and here I can select again now for audio for output. And now why not to explain, because probably for some of you don't know exactly what it means, audio channel mapping and audio hardware. Now when it says hardware, here is actually referring to the physical devices you use to record your audio. When you record an audio something, you listen to audio in Audition. So the input devices, these are the microphone, of course. Here you have your the input, you have the devices you're using to capture your sound, and this sends it to your computer. Examples: this USB microphone, XLR microphone. I have a USB microphone. And the output devices, these are devices that play back the sound you're working on in Audition. This can be your computer speakers, headphones, studio monitors connected to audio interface. And but what about the audio channel mapping? Well, this refers to how the audio signals from your hardware devices are routed within Audition. This especially defines which channels from your input devices are recorded to which channels in your project, and how the audio from your project is sent to your output device. So this is the mono, this is a single channel of the audio, and stereo, this is two channels of audio. And when you set up your audio channel mapping in Audition, you can tell the software like which channels from your input device to record, and how to send the audio to your output device. So yeah, that's basically what you have to understand in Audition. If you're a beginner and you just start using Audition, I think this is absolutely great software. I've used it for a couple of times, not really consistently, but when I use it, I know I can get some like great projects on it. I can record, I can edit. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.